Want to know how to generate a video in Dola AI? Well, no worries. In this video, we are going to take an help of Dola AI on your phone in order to generate videos. So let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Dola AI application. So make sure you have it installed on your phone. So we have also created similar videos on your phone and your PC as well about Dola AI. So make sure to watch it. So since you are creating a video or generating a video, what you can do is on the bottom you should be seeing this plus AI icon, which is the create button. So you can just simply select that. So now you can just simply change it to video right here. And now once I've changed it to video, you can also change the aspect ratio accordingly, which differs, which is YouTube to Instagram accordingly. So you can just simply create a video that you want. So I've just simply typed this prompt right here. And now once I've typed this prompt, it will generate a video just like this right here. So you can just simply see that it will generate in 1 to 3 minutes and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.